You've been told your body is full of toxins, that a special tea, a 3-day juice cleanse, or a foot pad can pull them out, leaving you refreshed and renewed. But what if I told you that you already own the most sophisticated, powerful, and efficient detoxification system ever created? It works 24/7, requires no subscription, and is perfectly designed for your body. Today, we're not talking about expensive fads. We're pulling back the curtain on the silent, tireless hero working inside you right now, your liver. It's time to understand the truth about detoxing. The idea of a detox is incredibly appealing. It taps into a desire to wash away the consequences of our modern lives. A little too much processed food, a few extra drinks, or exposure to environmental pollutants. The market is flooded with products promising a quick fix, a reset button for our internal systems. These products often come with dramatic claims and testimonials of renewed energy and clarity. However, from a biological standpoint, the entire concept of a commercial detox is based on a fundamental misunderstanding of how our bodies work. Your body doesn't need to be flushed. It has a master organ that handles this process with stunning efficiency, an organ far more complex and capable than any juice or supplement. Meet the liver, the largest internal organ in your body, weighing in at around 3 pounds. Tucked away in the upper right part of your abdomen. This reddish-brown powerhouse is like the central command and main chemical processing plant for your entire system. It performs over 500 vital functions, from producing bile to digest fats and making proteins for blood clotting, to storing vitamins and minerals. But one of its most critical roles is as your primary defense against harmful substances. Every drop of blood leaving your stomach and intestines passes through the liver, where it acts as a meticulous gatekeeper, filtering, processing, and neutralizing compounds before they can circulate and cause potential harm. It's a relentless, non-stop operation. The liver's detoxification process is a brilliant, 2-step system known as biotransformation. Think of it like a waste management facility with 2 distinct stages. The first is called Phase 1. During this phase, a family of enzymes, most famously the cytochrome P450 group, gets to work. Their job is to take fat-soluble toxins, compounds that the body has a hard time getting rid of, and chemically alter them. Through a process called oxidation, they essentially attach a handle to the toxic molecule. This initial step often makes the substance more reactive, but it's a necessary preparation for the crucial next stage. It's like sorting the recycling and preparing it for the compactor. Phase 1 neutralizes some toxins directly, but its main job is to get them ready for Phase 2. Once a toxin has been pre-processed in Phase 1, it moves on to Phase 2, known as the conjugation pathway. This is the neutralization and packaging stage. Here, the liver attaches another molecule to the handled toxin from Phase 1. This process, called conjugation, makes the toxin water-soluble. Imagine taking a piece of greasy, sticky waste and sealing it inside a water-soluble bag. This is exactly what the liver does. It uses various substances, including the powerful antioxidant glutathione, to bind to the toxins. This transformation is the single most important step, as it converts a dangerous, hard-to-excrete compound into a harmless, water-soluble one that the body can easily eliminate. It's a beautifully elegant and effective system for taking out the trash. After Phase 2, the now harmless, water-soluble compounds are ready for removal. The body has 2 main exits. Some of the processed substances are mixed into bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver. The bile is then sent to the small intestine and eventually eliminated from the body through the feces. This is the primary route for larger processed molecules. The other major exit is through the kidneys. The water-soluble compounds are released back into the bloodstream, where they travel to the kidneys. The kidneys filter them out of the blood and excrete them in the urine. So a healthy bathroom routine is a direct sign that your liver and kidneys are performing their detoxification duties perfectly. No special products needed. So what exactly are these toxins the liver is so busy processing? The term can be misleading. It's not just about scary industrial chemicals. A toxin, in the biological sense, is any substance that could be harmful if it accumulated in the body. This includes external substances, like alcohol, certain medications, pesticides, and pollutants. But it also includes internal substances, which are the natural byproducts of your own metabolism. For example, when your body breaks down protein, it produces ammonia, which is toxic. The liver swiftly converts this ammonia into a harmless substance called urea, which is then sent to the kidneys to be excreted. The liver also processes old red blood cells and even breaks down and removes excess hormones like estrogen to maintain a healthy balance. This brings us back to the great detox myth. Products marketed as liver cleanses or flushes aren't actually helping this sophisticated process. Your liver doesn't store toxins in a way that requires them to be flushed out. It is a processing plant, not a storage warehouse. It continuously transforms and moves substances along for excretion. Many detox teas and juices simply act as diuretics, making you urinate more, or laxatives, speeding up your bowels. The resulting weight loss is almost entirely water, not toxins, and it returns as soon as you rehydrate. There is no scientific evidence to suggest that these products improve the liver's ability to do the job it's already an expert at. In some cases, high doses of certain herbs in regulated supplements can even be harmful to the liver. If you truly want to support your liver's health, the answer doesn't lie in a bottle or a box. It lies in the daily choices you make. The single best thing you can do for your liver is to provide it with the right environment and nutrients to function optimally. This starts with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fiber. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, as well as foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens, provide the raw materials for phase 1 and 2 enzymes. Staying well hydrated with plenty of water is essential for helping the kidneys flush out the substances the liver has processed. Moderating alcohol intake is also critical, as alcohol is a direct toxin that the liver must work hard to metabolize. Beyond diet, a healthy lifestyle is your liver's best friend. Regular physical activity improves circulation and can help reduce liver fat, enhancing its function. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial, as obesity is a leading cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition that can impair liver function over time. It's also wise to be mindful of medications and supplements. Always use them as directed and inform your doctor of everything you take, as the liver is responsible for processing almost all of them. True liver support isn't a temporary cleanse, it's a long-term commitment to overall wellness. This consistent, gentle support is far more powerful than any short-term extreme detox. While your liver is incredibly resilient, it's important to recognize when it might be struggling. Symptoms of compromised liver function can be subtle at first but may include persistent fatigue, nausea, loss of appetite, and discomfort in the upper right abdomen. A more distinct sign is jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes, which occurs when the liver can't properly process a substance called bilirubin. Other signs can include dark urine, pale stools, or swelling in the legs and abdomen. If you experience any of these symptoms persistently, it is not the time for a self-prescribed cleanse. It is a signal to consult a healthcare professional who can perform the necessary tests to understand what's truly going on and recommend an appropriate course of action. Your body's ability to manage and remove unwanted substances is a marvel of biology. With the liver as the undisputed star of the show, it works tirelessly, day and night, protecting you with a process refined by millions of years of evolution. Instead of falling for the quick-fix promises of the detox industry, we can choose to honor and support this incredible organ through mindful, healthy habits. By nourishing your body, staying active, and making conscious choices, you give your liver everything it needs to keep you healthy from the inside out. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about how your amazing body works, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content. And to take your health knowledge one step further, download our dedicated app, which you can find in the description and in our channel bio.